Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3 will be fully unveiled on August 14th, the Monday, but the founder and CEO Lei Jun offered an early peek at the refined design. The Jun describes it with three words: slim, elegant, and premium. The photos are posted on Jun's X account, and here's a look at it. Zooming in, you can see four Leica cameras revealing the focal length at the near and far end at 15mm ultrawide and 115mm periscope. The old Mix Fold 2 had a 15mm ultrawide, but it was equipped with only an 8 megapixel 45mm portrait lens, which is 2x zoom. So going up to 115mm is a very big jump. Only the horizontal folds that launched this year, that has a periscope camera, the Google Pixel Fold 112mm and the Huawei Mate X3 125mm. Unfortunately, neither phone will be widely available, even though one of the two countries is companies is under trade sanctions. The other phone sticks to a range of 2 to 3x, but there's no hope for this phone also to be launched outside. This phone is said to be even sleeker than the Mi Mix Fold 2, which was launched last year at around 11mm thickness. Currently, the slimmest foldable phone in the world is the Honor Magic V2 at less than 10mm thickness. Let's see whether Xiaomi can match up to it.